Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I'd bring you a quick product review of the Fastway ONEstep XL wheel chocks. So a lot of people like the traditional wheel chocks, and we'll show you that in a few seconds. I have actually purchased, so these are not a promoted video. This is product that I have purchased. This is the ONEstep, and these are the XLs for the wide track. If you have your axles spaced a little wider for greater stability, you'll want the ONEstep XLs versus the traditional ONEstep. Now what they are is they're actually a set of wheel chocks that come together. And this is actually supposed to go, that's the base and then the bottom. What happens is they're adjustable here for the width of your trailer, and you simply put them in and then put pressure down. Now we're going to show you a live demo of that. These are just a nice, convenient, easy way that takes rocking out of your unit and allows you to save from having to actually always bend over or hooking up the truck, and then it's put pressure on a chock and then you have to move the truck forward or backwards to be able to take the pressure off the chock. This will alleviate some of those steps. So let's go take a look and see how they actually function. So traditionally you'd use one of two types of chocks. You could use either a large chock like this yellow one, or a lot of the dealerships carry the smaller orange style chocks. Some of them have little tethers on them to help pull them out. They're very inexpensive. They work really, really well. So I have nothing bad to say about those. I have traditionally used them. However, I thought we would go to something different. So here is actually the Fastway ONEstep XL. These have actually been set up for the width of our tires, and they're very straightforward to use. Now you have a few adjustments in length. In the box you actually get an additional arm, and this is why they're called the XLs. So if you have a really deeply spread set of axles, then you can actually put in an additional bar as well. And the way they basically function is you simply put them in between your tires. I like to just get them in the basic position, move your cord out of the way, and they're just meant that you put your foot, push down, you'll hear them snap in place, and there we go. They're actually in. It'll keep your trailer from moving back or forth. It puts a bit of pressure, you'll notice, down in here on the tires. And by using it in the center, if you feel a bit of that movement or rocking, it should take it out. Now, what you can do if you wanted, you could probably put a padlock on here if you were worried that someone was going to try to take these, etc. I don't really think you really need to. You can put this little cord to the back, but the nice thing about it is when it comes time to leave, instead of having to reach down, you simply take the cable, pull it, give it a gentle pull up, and they pop out. So once you've hooked up to the truck, you don't have to worry that you've got all this pressure, because usually a chock like this in the back, when you hook up and that the trailer shifts just a little bit backwards with the pressure of hooking up, you then have to hop in the truck, pull it forward to dislodge that that chock. And you've got to be careful you're not running over one of your front chocks if there's a lot of pressure on them. So this is a nice, easy, convenient way if you've camped somewhere where it's a little muddy or you know, not so great. You can actually just grab these, lift them up, take them over to the water hose, rinse them off, and then put them away. Anyways, that's our quick take and review on the Fastway ONEstep XL wheel chocks. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please click the like button. Please subscribe. We'd love to have you as a subscriber to the channel. Anyways, have yourself a great day, and make sure you live life to the fullest.